Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Keerthi Kumar, and in case if you're visiting my channel for the first time, or in case if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do hit the subscribe button guys. That means so much to me. So yes guys, I'm back again with YouTube videos and my top 5 makeup series videos. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys my top 5 favorite eyeshadow palettes, which I totally swear by. It was so hard for me to pick up just like 5 eyeshadow palettes because you know what, I am huge fan of eyeshadows, like literally a huge fan of eyeshadows. So it was hard for me to pick up just like 5 palettes, but these 5 palettes are something that I totally swear by. So without any further ado, let's get into the palettes now. Okay, the first palette which I totally love is the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette guys. So this is the Desert Dusk palette, and let me just show you. So these are the shades. Just see how gorgeous these shades are. So over here you have beautiful matte shades, and also you have got like beautiful shimmer shades, and yeah, which complement again the Indian complexion so well. Not only the Indian complexion, it works again with different complexions, like every complexion so well. So this is like a very good versatile eyeshadow palette, and the best part about this is that it has got good shimmer shades and also good matte shades. Yeah, and also the shimmer shades over here, you have to work them with your fingers. They don't work well with your brushes, so you have to work them with your fingers. Just dip your finger in it and just apply that on your lid. So in that way this shimmer shades work best. In case if you want to use them with your brush, what you have to do is take Fix Plus or any fixing spray, spray that on your brush, and then dip that brush in your shimmer eyeshadow over here, and then apply that on your eyelid. So if you just want to use with brushes, and that is the way how you have to use it, because it works best then, or else you can't really get the exact payoff with these shimmer shades. But on an overall thing, it is a beautiful pick, and definitely if you're someone who's aspiring to be a bridal makeup artist, then I'll suggest you guys to have this one in your kit. It'll be very handy. And then the next eyeshadow palette which I totally love is this one. So this is the MORPHEE Jaclyn Hill palette, and I know guys, literally I guess like most of you would already own this palette, and this is like one palette which will always be there in every makeup artist kit. It is such a beautiful one. So just see these gorgeous shades over here. How beautiful these shades are. So you have like good teal colors over here, violets, blues, greens, browns, and then you have a little bit of golds, mauves, and everything over in this palette. And you also have like good combination of mattes and shimmers again. So it's so beautiful that you have everything in like one single palette. And if in case if you're a beginner and you just want to invest in like one single palette, then I would highly suggest you this one, because you know what, you have like some good bold colors over here, and you have also got some good brown shades and some neutral shades in this palette. So you can have everything in like one single palette, which is amazing. So if you're a beginner and want to just own like one single palette, then just give this a shot. I'm sure you will love it. And especially the pigmentation of these shadows are so great guys. Like they are super duper pigmented, and there is minimal fallout, because I don't say that there is no fallout with any eyeshadow guys, because especially when you're dealing with shimmers, there'll be at least like, you know, 2 to 3% of fallouts, even if it's from super duper high-end brand. So there is a bit of fallout. That is there'll always be a bit of fallout, but you know what, they are super pigmented. Even the shimmer shades are super pigmented, and they are not chalky, not at all chalky. They are like very finely milled and super smooth, so you can work with that so easily. Even if you are a beginner, you can work with that so easily. So yeah, this is just so good, and it's one of my favorite palettes. And the next palette is yeah, the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I think you guys should have seen this in many videos of mine already, because I use this palette like so many times. I freaking loving this palette because of this beautiful warm shades over here. Can you guys see that beautiful warm shades? It has got all warm shades because the name says it all. It has naked heat, so it has all that beautiful warm shades, and this palette again complements the Indian skin so well. So in case if you're someone who wants to invest in only in brown warm shades, and if you're a person who don't love bold colors like blues, greens and purples and all of that, and love only just warm colors, and you know what, you should check this palette out. And I don't think I have to say anything about Urban Decay eyeshadows, because Urban Decay eyeshadows are literally the one of the best in the market out there. So these are super pigmented again, and very finely milled, not chalky, and very easy to work with. And it has again got beautiful combination of shimmers and mattes. So with one palette you can create so many looks, and you don't need any other palettes when you're just dealing with that, because again you have some good matte colors to go onto the crease, some good shimmer colors to apply it on the lid. It also again comes with a brush, which is amazing again. Where is that brush? I use that brush in every video of mine, guys. Actually, I do multi-purposing with brushes, so I use that for contouring. Sometimes I use that for eyeshadow, like whatever. Sometimes I use it to blend out my concealer. Sometimes I just use it for random things. So this is a multi-purpose brush, which is like dual-ended, and it comes with this palette, so which is amazing. And the next palette which I totally love is, yeah, so this is again from Urban Decay. So this is the Urban Decay Bontaran eyeshadow palette. So again, like this one is such a good release from Urban Decay. Just look at the combination of colors there. You have everything in this palette, guys, literally every single thing. You have good bronze shades, gold shades, green shades, and you have like pinks, purples, everything. And again you have good mix of matte shades and also the shimmers in this palette. So in case if you're a makeup artist or aspiring makeup artist, or if you're a beginner and want to invest in again like a good single eyeshadow palette, as a beginner you may not want to spend like some heavy bucks in buying makeup, because you don't want to buy some 10 palettes and just store it like that there. So in case if you want to learn how to apply eyeshadows by buying one single eyeshadow palette, then you can also check out this from Urban Decay, the Born to Run eyeshadow palette, because it has got versatile shades in it and beautiful combination of mattes and shimmers. So yeah, in case if you're a beginner, just check out the Jaclyn Hill palette and the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, guys, because you have got good combination of shades from bolds to neutrals, so you can just work with them so well. Yeah, and the last favorite eyeshadow palette, not actually the last, because I love eyeshadows and I love so many eyeshadow palettes, but in case if I have to just pick like top 5 from what I own, then these are the ones. So yeah, that is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. So this one is again a new launch from Urban Decay. Not exactly a very new launch, but it was actually a new launch, you know, like what I mean. So from Urban Decay, and you know what, this has got beautiful cherry shades in it. So it has got beautiful pinkish cherry shades in it. Like every collection, every shadow in here is beautifully cherry toned. So in case if you're someone who wants to buy some pink cherry toned eyeshadows, then do check out this palette, guys. Again, it has got some good shimmer shades and also some good matte shades. And again, I don't want to talk anything about Urban Decay eyeshadows because they are super pigmented, they are super fine quality, and they are super easy to work with. So, and again, yeah, this also comes with a brush. Okay, where did I put that brush? Because I used it just now. Just now to create this look that I'm wearing. So yeah, this is the brush that comes with this. It's again a dual-ended. This has like one fluffy blending side, and some pencil kind of side on the other end, where you can smudge the shadows or do your outer V with it and all that. So it's again like the brush is like super fine quality. I have used the Urban Decay Naked Heat brush from almost like from 1.5 years to 2 years, and it's been like so good. I have washed it so many times and there is no it's in super good condition, and I totally love Urban Decay brushes. So the best part about that is that when you invest in eyeshadow palette, you also get a super good quality eyeshadow brush, which is incredible. So yeah, this is a brush which comes with it, and again this eyeshadow palette is my favorite, and I have used this eyeshadow palette to create my eyeshadow look today. I have just used only all the matte shades, just the matte shades, not all the matte shades, just like few of the matte shades from this palette to create the eye look. Yeah, it's my favorite. And also I have used this eyeshadow palette itself in my previous video, which is showing you guys my top 5 favorite concealers. That eye makeup also I have used this eyeshadow palette. So yeah, these are the eyeshadow palettes which I totally love, guys. So in case if you just wanna check out eyeshadows, and in case if you're a beginner or someone who's new to makeup and wanna check out eyeshadow palettes and wanna invest in high-end palettes, then do check these palettes out. So yes guys, that's all for this video, and we'll be seeing you soon with another video. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms. My Instagram handle is keerthikumarmakeup, and also please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, we'll be regular with YouTube videos from now onwards. And okay, my background right over there, we actually shifted to a new house, so I just have to set up my background at the back, and also I have to put all my makeup in place because we moved so recently, and in between we also went to a Paris trip, so we didn't put the things in order. So again, I just have to arrange arrange all my makeup in place, and I just have to set up my background as well there. So right now I am just preparing my own beauty room. So once it's all done, I will also give you a beauty room tour. So yes guys, that's it. That's all for this video. We'll be seeing you soon with another video. Till then, have a great day, and please do hit that subscribe button. So yes guys, that's all for this video. Bye.